yesterday I soldered the equipment of the charger. It took me quite some time, especially because I also needed to get some information about charging Lipo batteries from the internet. I think I now know how to do that, and I will demonstrate this to you. So on the table you can see all the charging equipment, and I like to note that each part has its own unique number. This way everything which belongs together stays together. This is the adapter. What I was soldering yesterday is especially this conversion cable. Goes in the adapter, and then these plus and minus connectors, which I shrink wrapped with some plastic because they were bare metal and I didn't want to make them a shortage. I connect that with the input of the balance charger. Instead of that, you can also use these clamps and charge from a car battery. Remember, this charger can only have between 10 and 18 volts. So you don't use a truck car battery because those are 24 volts. Now on the outside we connect the power cable for the battery. Black goes in black, red goes in red. That's for all this equipment the rule. And then here's the battery. The battery has this output, and here are individual cell inputs. You could measure each individual cell, but be very careful, because if your pens touch each other, the cell will short, and that's not very healthy for the cell and possibly for yourself, because these batteries tend to explode and cause fire. So I'm going to demonstrate that. As these batteries can cause fire and or explode, always charge them inside the bag. Put it inside the bag. In the document I write the photography drone operation manual. I will also tell more details about the charging. Connect the wire. This wire is in fact too short, and I have to buy a JST extension cable. But anyway, put it in there. Now let's turn on the power. And now the charger starts up with its last program. I already wrote some programs, and let's see, here you can load the data. Okay, I select it. It's program 1. I know it's not possible for you to read this, but this is program 1. I hold the button and it says Lipo charge 11.1 volts. So I also this battery is a 2200 milliampere battery. I also set the charge rate at 2.2 amps for charging. For balance charging also 2.2 amps, or that's the same as 2200 milliamp. And for fast charging I set it to 4.4 amps. For storage I also want 11.1 volts, and it's also a maximum of 2.2 amps per second for charging. For discharging it's the same, and then discharging will go to 9 volts. So I can start the program. It's now checking the battery, and it tells me to wait. Well, that's my story about batteries, and next I will make a connector to have the first person view display powered by this Lipo battery. See you next time.